Hi there, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the testes underneath the microscope. When we think about the testes, we know that their job is to produce sperm, and this is going to take place within structures known as seminiferous tubules. And that's what we're looking at here, is we're looking at a series of seminiferous tubules. I will go ahead and outline a few for us. So here's one here. Here's another one here. All of these circular structures, I've just outlined two, but all of these circular structures are going to be our seminiferous tubules. And we can see that we have a space in the middle, and our space in the middle is going to be the lumen. And because these seminiferous tubules are going to be responsible for that sperm production within the testes, they are going to house the spermatogenic cells. These would be the cells that would give rise to sperm. Again, we can see all these cells within our seminiferous tubules. So these cells that we have inside. So cells within the tubules. Those are going to be our spermatogenic cells. And in lecture, we'll talk more about the different spermatogenic cells and how they are going to be involved in spermatogenesis, the production of sperm. We also have cells that are going to be between the seminiferous tubules, and they're known as interstitial cells. Remember, inter means between, and this is going to be the cells between the tubules. So here we can see some cells here. We've got some cells here, here. There's several places where we can see cells between the tubules. I'll just pick out a couple of them for us to label. There's a cluster there. There's also a cluster here and here as well. Again, any of these clusters of cells between the tubules are the interstitial cells.